How to live in harmony with everyone. It's difficult to live with someone without argument or judgment. Here are a few tips that will help you do so. Don't judge. Never judge anyone. Accept all as they are. Realize that each person has a duty to change and improve himself. Whether or not he does so is not your responsibility. Be friends with all. Look upon other people as friends and acquaintances whom you may have known in past incarnations, some of them perhaps closely and dearly. It is indeed probable that you have known many of them before, for we live a vast number of lives on earth. Whether or not they are your friends from before, God in His infinity is omnipresent. He therefore resides in everyone as everyone. See all whom you meet as expressions of our one common Father or Mother God. Practice morals. Be strict in practicing the moral principle of ahimsa or harmlessness. Never wish harm to anyone or to any creature, nor even if you are deep in this practice to anything. Automatically, as you continue this practice, you will find yourself wishing everybody well. Personal attachment. Dismiss from your mind the thought of personal attachment to anything. Thus, when dealing with others, you will find that you have no ulterior motives to warp your understanding of them. Don't desire. Never view anyone with the thought of needing or desiring anything from him. Give him perfect freedom mentally to simply be himself or to be complete in himself. Be sincere. Be ever truthful and sincere, first of all with yourself and then with everyone you meet. Never tell yourself regarding anyone else's shortcomings, "I could never be like that." The sad fact is, you could be. We all have the potential to be like anyone on earth, from the most debased to the most saintly. Be compassionate, therefore. Pray inwardly to God never to let you fall into that error again. For who knows what mistakes you may have committed yourself, perhaps in the far distant past. Laugh with others. Smile at others when it seems right to do so. Smile with them, not only at them. Let your smile be not only with your lips, but from your heart. Let it rise from there to shine out through your eyes. When others grieve, never withhold your sympathy from them, but instead of grieving with them, try to give them your heartfelt joy. Find direction. When others tell you of their troubles, try gently to steer them in the direction of finding possible solutions. Love. Try to love people as extensions of your own self. We may think of each person as specializing on behalf of the whole human race in being simply himself. Live in the thought of God's loving, blissful presence within you. If you like this video, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.